When you save any image from internet and then view it in your PC, it will be saved in any of the two formats, PNG or JPEG. So what is the distinction between PNG and JPEG? Well, these two are different as well as similar except their abbreviation, that PNG stands for Portable Network Graphic while JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Expert Group. Now you might be thinking that why the JPEG and PNG files were introduced. In the early days, images were stored in bitmap bump files and this system could store high resolution image. But later there was one flaw in this system, that it was large and took up a lot of storage space. To solve this problem, JPEG was introduced in 1992 and this system could reduce the size of image without reducing its original quality. Now when JPEG was introduced, there was another system which was graphics interchange format, commonly known as GIF. And PNG was introduced in 1994 now, which replaced the GIF because GIF didn't support alpha channel and only supported 256 color. When PNG was introduced, it was a system that supported millions of colors with variable transparency. Now before introducing JPEG, I would like to show you this image. You can see that this photo has a good compression rate and because of this it also has quality losses from left to right, but not that much. This means JPEG has low Z compression rate and some data of image is lost after the image is compressed. That's why JPEG is not preferred for graphics and is preferred for photography. Now you can see this image which is a PNG and it supports 8-bit color and also has a transparency when it is viewed in a graphic software such as Photoshop or Premiere Pro. This means that a common difference between JPEG and PNG is that PNG supports transparency while JPEG does not. Another distinction you will find while saving PNG or JPEG from internet is that JPEG does not has a large size and it has a size limit of 65535 square pixels, while PNG image format has no size limit and they can be 140 GB or larger. This is probably due to their quality differences. So another major distinction between them is their size limit. Now coming on to their use, I would say JPEGs are hugely popular with photographers and businesses that manage large image libraries. Their smaller size allows multiple digital photos to be shared and downloaded simultaneously. In comparison, PNGs aren't really built to store high quality photos. They are used in high contrast web graphics, for illustration in Adobe Illustrator to graphic designing in Adobe Photoshop. PNG is quite recommended, and when you take a screenshot or your mobile or PC, it will also be stored in PNG format. Now a deficiency in these two systems is that none of these systems support animation. For making memes on social media platform, neither PNG or JPEG is recommended, but GIF is recommended because it supports animation. However, there is also a flaw in GIF, that it is usually short term and doesn't support high quality resolution. However, GIF is limited only to social media and it is not used for professional usage. Now in light of all the points discussed, you will find that PNG is quite reliable than JPEG, but this is not all. If someone prefers photography, then JPEG is quite recommended to use. However, these were all the distinction and I hope that you have gone through which one is better. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe the channel and thumbs up for the video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, it's goodbye.